Affected owners, Tarkwa Railway Line. Tarkwa, one of the mining communities and the largest producing gold in West Africa, has been affected by the activities of the new railway line construction. In the year 2022, the government of Ghana signed a contractual agreement worth $3.2 billion with the Thilo DB of South African and Transect Consult Limited of Ghana to upgrade the rail infrastructure from Hunivali to Dunkwa through Awaso and Yinehim to Eduadin on the Western Railway Line. He expressed worry that the neglect of the Western Railway Line, and for that matter, most of the railway lines in the country, have led to the deterioration of many roads due to frequent haulage of natural resources. Notwithstanding the contractual agreement, some communities and affected owners are worried about the halt of their infrastructures being not developed sake of the contractual agreement being signed with them and the railway authority. Some of these house and land owners located at Tarkwa, Angola, Brinoachim, some parts of Bogekrom, some parts of Tarkwa Kwabedu, some parts of Tarkwa New Site, and some parts of Tarkwa Insuta, Achim, has been affected, and authorities are silent on the issue.